8th class student, exercise 10A. Question number is 31. 31 question is, a shopkeeper sold 2 fan SPO first fan 1140 rupees. SPO second fan is equal to equal SPO of the both fan. 1140 rupees. Get SPO first fan and second SPO of second fan are equal. To sell the first fan is get gain is equal to 14%. 14% gain, and to sell the second fan is loss is equal to 5%. At first, we find the CPO of both fan. At first, you let the CPO first fan X rupees, gain is equal to 14% of X. 14 upon will be 100 into X. After remove the percent and of, divide by 2, 2 7 ja 14, 2 50 ja 100. 7 upon 50x rupees. Get the gain of the first fan. SP of first fan is equal to 1140 rupees are given. SP4 gain CP plus gain CP is X, gain is 7 upon 50x is equal to 1140 rupees. Write the upon X to take the LCM. LCM is 50. 50x plus 7x equal 1140. After plus 50 plus 7, 57 upon 50x is equal to 1140. Then x is equal to 1140 into 50 upon 57. 57 to the 157 to the 114. After multiply is 5 to the 10. 1000 rupees CP of the first pen. CP of first pen was 1000 rupees. As we find the CP of the second pen, let the CP of second pen is equal to X rupees. Get loss is equal to 5% of X. 5 upon 100 into X. 1 and 2 1 upon 20x rupees. Get the selling the second pen. SP are given. SP of second pen is equal to 1140 rupees. SP4 loss CP minus loss 1 upon 20x is equal to 1140 rupees. Write upon 1 to take the LCM. LCM is 20. 20x minus x is equal to 1140. After minus 19 upon 20x is equal to 1140. Then x equal 1140 into 20 upon 19. 19 6 114. After multiply 6 to 12. 1200 rupees. CP was second pen is equal to 1200 rupees. Total SP is equal to 1140 plus 140. 2280 rupees is selling price of the both pen. Total CP is equal to first CP is 1000, second is 1200. After plus 220 2200 rupees. Here is SP is greater than CP. He get the gain. Gain is equal to 2280 minus 2200 minus after minus is 80 rupees. Gain percent will be gain into 100 upon CP is 2200. 20 by 20, 11, and 2 is 40. 40 upon 11. After divide 3 whole, 3 upon 11 is the gain percent. 31 question is complete. Question number 31 is complete. 32 question. 32 question is Vinod sold a watch to Arun, get 12% gain. Arun to sell Manoj at loss 5%. Manoj paid 3,990 rupees. 32 question. You first let this CPO watch for Vinod is equal to X rupees. Gets gain is equal to 12%. CP at first find the CP of